Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to hot reset your Redmi phone without PC. So if you have your phone locked with passcode, don't know how to hot reset and remove these things, or just hot resetting your phone for make it faster, this is the way by how we can do this. You have volume up and power button. You press both of them at the same time like this until your phone going to be turned off. So let's go ahead to wait for it. After you got the Redmi logo, just leave that two buttons. What you're gonna do now, just choose the wipe data, then click on power button, then go back again on wipe, then confirm it, and your phone will be erased like this. Once it has been done, just get back to menu to reboot your Redmi phone. So let's go ahead to reboot now and wait for it. As you can see, I got my Redmi phone on startup setups, and let's go ahead to do this one by one here on this video. As you can see, my phone's ready and everything has been cleared. So when I just check the screen lock, there will not be any lock, and this is a test as I'm doing now here on video, and it works great. So this is all about how to hot reset your phone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.